Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I extended the length of this denim pant from 42 inches to 44 inches. I got this pant some week ago and it was a bit jumpy and I was like, yeah, something can be done. And here you go guys. So I started by taking the initial measurement of the trouser so that you guys can see it's 42 inches. Then I went ahead and measured around 34 after my knee down to cut that part into two. So after cutting it off, I introduced an old jean of mine that I don't use anymore to remove the belt loops so that I can use that for the extension. This is the jean guys. After removing these loops, I tried to do the arrangement. I took a new measurement and I saw that the difference wasn't that much. It was still around 42 and a half, 43. I was like, no, let me create my own loop. So I cut some part of that same old jean and decided to make my own loops. I changed the stitch of my machine to the zigzag stitch so that it can give me that design they use for denim belt loops. So this is me trying to fold in the pieces to create the belt loops. So we're done guys, this is what we have. Look how beautiful they look. So the next thing is to introduce the pant itself and fold in that rough edges that we cut. So while folding it in, I also sticked to the zigzag stitch that I used for the loops to do this round stitch to give it a fine design. And after doing that, this is what we have. Look at how neatly folded the edges are. The next thing now is to take our measurements and arrange the loops the way we want. You can do yours all straight. You can decide to cross yours. This was the design that just entered my head and I said, okay, let me do it. So this is me attaching the loops I created earlier to the denim, the upper part first, and then I attached the lower part after the first one. And guys, that will be all. After doing all of that, you have to cut off the rough threads on the trouser. And I took a new, remember our old measurement was 42 and this is the new one. I have 44. Guys, this is what we have. This is the results. Look at how full and beautiful it look on me now. Thank you so much for watching to this point. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Let us know what you like us to do next. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.